Hello everyone! So today I'll be showing you how to make Snickerdoodle cookies. We will make about 3.5 to 4 dozen cookies. For this recipe, you would need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of white sugar, 1 cup, which is about 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature, 2 large eggs, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon, and another 1/3 cup of sugar. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then line about 3 baking sheets with parchment paper. Next, in a medium bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, salt, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk together. In a large bowl, using an electric mixer, beat butter and sugar together on a medium-high speed until pale and fluffy. This will take about 2 minutes. Then scrape down the sides of the bowl with a rubber spatula. Add eggs and 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat on medium-high speed until well combined. Add flour mixture and beat on low speed just until combined. In a small bowl, whisk together sugar and cinnamon. Scoop a rounded tablespoon of dough or use an icing scoop 1.5 inch in diameter into a palm of your hand and roll into a ball. Roll in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Roll into the cinnamon sugar mixture and then place the ball 2 inches apart on prepared baking sheet. This will be baked on 1 sheet at a time for 10 to 12 minutes or until edges are lightly brown but the top are barely cooled. Then you will cool on a baking sheet for 5 minutes and then transfer cookies to a wire cooling rack to cool completely. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.